Hello and welcome to this presentation on IT automation fundamentals. This is the level one client deck. And this is a deck that you as a seller can use with your clients as you're beginning to have discussions with your clients about the challenges that they're having as they're moving forward and adopting hybrid cloud architectures. We'll look at how IT automation and specifically how intelligent IT automation can address those challenges. And we'll look at the IBM solutions that are specific to intelligent IT automation. At the end of the presentation, there are 5 use cases that we'll go through that might resonate with your clients. So you can use this presentation and the accompanying speaker notes to provide guidance as you deliver this presentation to the client. So what does the market landscape look like and what are the problems that clients are facing? Well, the reality is that hybrid is the reality, and 70% of all enterprises run their applications across private infrastructure and public cloud. But the cloud is still in its early days. 70% of the IT workloads are still not on the public cloud, they're in-house. Hybrid will become a reality as the years progress. And containers are the future. 75% of all apps are expected to run on containers and Kubernetes by 2026. So hybrid is here to stay, and it's driving what is an implicit complexity of workloads. Everything is decentralized, workloads are fluid. Multiple clouds are available, often multiple vendors, both SaaS and in-house. These make the security boundaries complicated. Clients require more resources to manage and operate their client applications in a hybrid cloud. That client requirement is what IBM can focus on and execute. While our clients have embraced hybrid cloud container-based architectures, what are the challenges that they really face? Well, systems are innately more complicated than ever before, which results in a more proactive approach to IT management. In the IT management space, most industries and products were built assuming that something would break. If something is broken, a person is needed to do something. The model is reactive and human involvement is needed. Technology spend is out of control. In the on-premises world, the focus is on CapEx. Client finance and security teams are typically centralized. The management structure is neat, proper, and controlled. In hybrid cloud, and public cloud, and cloud native architectures, technology spend is effectively decentralized. Technology spending becomes the responsibility of IT teams and engineers who spin up systems, thus creating different architectures. We have inflexible and monolithic applications. As we mentioned earlier, many CIOs say that they're going to build everything from scratch. If a sales rep spoke with the same CIO today, they might say, I have centuries of human productivity and labor that have gone into these mission critical systems that I've built. Yes, they're monolithic, but I want them to be more flexible and cloud native to take advantage of some of the benefits of that. But I need to bring that investment forward. I need to modernize and use my existing IP. The distributed and decentralized nature of hybrid cloud applications and data is really complex. Applications and data no longer reside in the same locations. Clients need sophisticated integrations and other technologies to bring them together. Thus, this is why we're having the discussion about intelligent IT automation. As you can see here, integrations and technology around IT automation are broadly categorized as IT performance management and IT business management. IBM's overall strategy in IT automation is to help our clients get maximum value from their IT spend. This strategy is focused on ensuring the ongoing performance, resilience, and uptime of our clients' IT systems and the supply chain that supports their applications, all at the lowest cost. Let's look a little bit into the future. So IBM's generative AI strategy is to use foundation models to enhance the areas of IT performance management and IT business management. IBM's strategy is for generative AI to enhance IT performance management tools that help our clients reliably detect emerging incidents and highlight IT operational issues with a high degree of confidence. Clients can generate playbooks for quicker incident resolution, and these technologies help expedite incident resolution by generating remediations that can be automatically executed. In the IT business management space, IBM's strategy is to infuse generative AI into those tools to help clients better uncover data insights and optimize AI costs. As clients achieve those goals, they understand the value of their AI investments and accelerate their transformation journey and time to value. IBM offers intelligent IT automation with AI-powered IT operations. It has developed the most complete set of IT automation and AIOps management tools in the industry. These tools operate across a client's entire hybrid multi-cloud estate and control their IT components. IBM's holistic approach places application uptime and performance at the center of focus, driving lifecycle automation with AI for all tasks that are needed to provision and manage IT systems. IBM delivers on this approach by providing solutions in these 5 pillars to benefit clients, and these are shown on the slide. First one is application visibility and insights, then enterprise observability, automated operations, cost management, and incident management. By using solutions in these 5 pillars, organizations can better predict incidents and identify and execute high-impact automation across business and IT using proven tools and insights. For clients, IT performance management is about making sure that applications and the application infrastructure are running and available for customers. IBM has solutions in the following areas. IBM Concert helps simplify and optimize app management and technology operations with generative AI-driven insights. It provides a 360-degree view of client applications and manages risk and compliance. Instana and SevOne cover the enterprise observability space. These solutions enhance full-stack visibility of the global environment and network health. These solutions provide comprehension with full-stack scalable application and performance monitoring. With automated operations capabilities, Turbonomic helps clients dynamically and continuously assure cost-effective application performance and resource utilization. Cloud Pak for AIOps helps clients automate and orchestrate end-to-end IT and network operations at scale with efficiency and resiliency. Let's begin by looking at the IBM products that cover the IT performance management space, and we'll begin with IBM Concert. Applications produce a huge amount of siloed data across disparate tools. Deciphering, analyzing, and making informed decisions based on data is hindered by fragmented visibility across applications and systems. IBM Concert seamlessly connects with your existing environments and toolsets, enabling real-time data and dependency mapping. This enables clients to see operational challenges, understand root causes, anticipate issues before they happen, and proactively address them with recommended actions and automation. IBM Concert provides a 360-degree view of the business and technology risk of a CVE across the application landscape. Concert's prioritized mitigation recommendations are based on application risk impact. An example of the arena view is shown on the slide, with a CVE being shown connected to all the applications, environments, and public access points it could affect. IBM Concert is the connective tissue across the application landscape, turning diverse data into contextual knowledge. IBM Concert provides generative AI insights that help you understand your application landscape and enable you to discover the connections, dependencies, gaps, and opportunities in your application architecture. Instana can automatically load observability metrics, traces, and events and contextualize all the application, service, and infrastructure interdependencies so our clients can immediately take intelligent action on any specific issue. Anyone across DevOps, SRE, platform, IT ops, and development gets the data that they want with the context that they need. Instana's key value drivers answer the question, how does Instana help with efficiency, innovation, and risk reduction? Well, it can get to the immediate root cause and do analysis and incident resolution to help reduce business risk. It can perform automated discovery and machine learning to improve productivity and save cost. And it has a very innovative platform which combines full trace data sets for data fidelity with contextual insights. SEV1 NPM, or SEV1 Network Performance Management, is all about network observability. SEV1 is used today by enterprise, cloud service providers, managed service providers to continuously ensure that client networks are performing for the applications that drive today's businesses. Clients start with a collection of metrics, both pulled from devices and streamed from public clouds such as AWS CloudWatch, along with flow data across the multi-vendor network. Metrics collection is available for today's networks and the software-defined networks of tomorrow. Metrics collection enables network operations and engineering teams to get all the data from the end-to-end network that they are responsible for. Applications need resources in order to run. The IBM Turbonomic platform makes complex resourcing decisions to ensure that all the applications in a client stack get exactly what they need to perform. It continuously matches application demand to infrastructure supply, accounting for resource needs and dependencies across the full stack from application to platform to hardware. And it does this at decision rates that exceed human scale. In any client IT environment, there will be incidents that happen. Applications become unavailable. The network goes down. A database becomes unavailable. Well, IBM Cloud Pak for AIOps uses telemetry and event analysis along with other advanced technologies to enhance incident management processes. It empowers client organizations to automate incident detection, perform effective root cause analysis, and proactively respond to incidents, prioritize them efficiently, and improve incident resolution efficiency. This combination of capabilities ultimately enables end-to-end IT and network operations to scale with efficiency and resiliency. In the last section, we talked about the products in the IBM portfolio that address the performance of our clients' technical assets. In this section, we want to talk about the business side of technology. So technology is fundamentally difficult to manage from a financial point of view. Unlike hard assets such as buildings and manufactured goods, technology is spread out across multiple vendors, it's on premises, and it's in the cloud. Technology can exist one minute and not the next, especially with things like containers and cloud instances. The financial tools that are designed for traditional assets just can't keep up. Traditionally, organizations address these challenges either by hiring more analysts, building custom tools, or just continuing to make technology investment decisions based on a gut feeling. But most of those approaches fall short, and the core challenges that IT leaders face still remains, trying to make fast, informed decisions across a growing investment portfolio. Leaders lack a comprehensive, unified view into their spending and cannot really measure the value that their investments are producing for their organization. As you can see here, IBM has solutions that align with different spaces within IT business management. The solutions are Apptio Cloudability, Apptio Costing and Planning, Apptio Target Process, and integrations with Flexera One. In the next couple of sections, we'll look at technology business management as a practice and FinOps as a practice, and then we'll look and see how the Apptio products fit into those two distinct practices. Technology business management, or TBM, is a discipline that improves business outcomes by giving organizations a consistent way to translate technology investments into business value. Finance and technology leaders need comprehensive visibility, planning, billing, benchmarking, and optimization of their technology investments, regardless of their technology stack, delivery mechanism, or development model. TBM defines the tools, processes, data, and people that are needed to manage the business of technology. Based on a standard taxonomy that can be used by any technology, finance, and business leaders, TBM enables organizations to react quickly to changing market dynamics, make data-driven decisions, and align organizations around a common business objective. The complexity and variety of technology architectures means that every business uses its terminology to describe the elements in its purview. This makes it really difficult to adopt best practice allocation methodologies or make efficient comparisons across the industry. So, the TBM Council standardized on a TBM taxonomy to help take the guesswork out of naming and organizing cost structures. The TBM taxonomy translates from a financial view to a technology view to a business-facing view with terminology that makes sense to each audience. The TBM taxonomy makes adoption of TBM much easier because it settles debates about what to call things or how to group costs. It also lays the groundwork for vendors like IBM Apptio to standardize other important tools, such as the allocation model that defines the math for apportioning costs and reporting systems for quickly deriving insights about an organization's spending. You might hear about the term FinOps and TBM kind of spoken in the same breath. Well, FinOps is an operational framework and it's a cultural practice which, through collaboration between engineering, finance, and business teams, will allow corporations to maximize the business value of their cloud, enable timely data decision-driven making, and creates financial accountability between all three pieces of that: engineering, finance, and the business teams. So it's both an operational framework and a cultural practice, and the level of collaboration between engineering and finance required to successfully use the cloud is far greater than it would ever required in a data center IT. In FinOps, value, not cost, is the primary importance. Decision making must be faster than ever, continuous, and based on the analysis of vast quantities of data from multiple sources. Ultimately, financial accountability is everyone's responsibility to allow organizations to plan, forecast, budget, and allocate cloud costs correctly. And everyone must be involved in creating a culture of accountability. This is spread across engineering, finance, product teams, leadership, procurement, all these other security teams, ITAM, sustainability, and the operations group. One other thing to clear up. FinOps is not a shorthand for financial operations. It's a combination of the terms finance and DevOps, which are the two key parts of the organization that must collaborate completely. The FinOps operational framework can be broadly thought of in three phases: the inform, optimize, and operate phases. In the inform phase, there are FinOps activities that involve identifying data sources for cloud costs, usage, and efficiency data. Organizations can use this data for allocation, analysis, and reporting to empower their teams to develop capabilities in budgeting, forecasting trends, building KPIs for benchmarking, and developing metrics that will reveal the business value of an organization's cloud spend. In the optimize phase, there are FinOps activities that involve identifying opportunities to improve cloud efficiency by using the data and capabilities that were developed in the inform phase. In the operate phase, there are FinOps activities that involve implementing organizational change to operationalize FinOps using the data and the capabilities that were developed in the inform and optimize phase. This might include establishing cloud governance policies, compliance monitoring, and empowering teams through the development of training programs, team guidelines, and automation policies that are aligned with the organization's objectives. And keep in mind that these phases are not linear. The goal is to iteratively develop strategies and refine workflows, and this involves looping back to the inform and optimize and operate phases, evaluating and introducing new capabilities, and evolving FinOps operations for the organization. A key strength of IBM Apptio's cloud offering is the close ties to both FinOps and technology business management, and the ability to support each discipline effectively. Therefore, TBM has recently been updated based on feedback from the CIO and CFO community to incorporate FinOps as the operating model for cloud, ensuring that optimized cloud spend is brought into the TBM model and allocated. These disciplines are not competitive, but rather complementary, and when clients bring the practices together, they can strengthen each other. The TBM office can often use information from the FinOps team to ensure optimized cloud spend data is then comprehensively charged back and aligned to the overall business strategies and outcomes. Alternatively, the FinOps team can use information from the TBM office to drive fully burdened unit economics, ensuring that as cloud costs go up, which they will as the business grows, that increases in fueling growth and is not waste. Apptio Cloudability has three capabilities within the product that align quite well with the three FinOps phases. At the inform phase is Cloudability Total Cost. At the optimize phase is a capability called Cloudability Savings Automation. And at the operate phase is a capability called Cloudability Financial Planning. So with the Cloudability suite, Apptio meets clients where they are, whether they're just getting started with FinOps or looking for more advanced FinOps capabilities. Cloudability can help our clients optimize their cloud and hybrid infrastructure. Cloudability connects clients' multi-cloud, hybrid, and SaaS infrastructures with cloud financial management or TBM best practices that help them maximize the value of their cloud strategy. Cloudability can ingest, normalize, and structure billing data across all major cloud providers to deliver cost visibility in a single pane of glass. It brings financial accountability to the public cloud's variable consumption-based spending model. Apptio Costing and Planning unlocks resources to accelerate business strategies by streamlining applications and operations. It unifies financial and operational data into an industry-standard taxonomy of cost categories and hierarchies. So Apptio Costing and Planning is most easily understood in the context of the TBM or Technology Business Management taxonomy. This is an industry-standard taxonomy that has 4 layers, which you can see on the left-hand side: consumers, solutions, IT towers, and cost pools. And there are 2 categories, which are shown by the dashed circles: cost analytics, planning, and forecasting, and a number of subcategories. Target Process is the third and final product we'll talk about in this TBM and FinOps space. Target Process is an enterprise agile planning software for the modern enterprise. It provides end-to-end visibility and alignment for business agility through a set of 4 core solution areas that are shown here. These are strategic planning, program management, resource management, and portfolio budgeting. Organizations can start with any one or more of these solution areas or capabilities. So Target Process gives portfolio managers an end-to-end visibility to work, resources, and budgets, ensuring that they are always aligned to the strategic priorities of the organization throughout the product lifecycle. With Target Process, portfolio managers have a single source of truth that helps them make hard and informed decisions around budgets, resources, and capacity. With Target Process, a portfolio manager can execute their quarterly, monthly, and ad hoc plans. Portfolio managers can also use Target Process to help shift resources and investment to better align with their organizational objectives and communicate these changes to product leaders and track and report on progress toward objectives. A critical aspect of the IBM Apptio platform is how it manages and brings data into its capabilities to provide insights. IBM Apptio brings in many data sources, ingests them, cleans, correlates, and then applies business intelligence to use cases. It extracts insights from disparate data sources for near real-time, holistic views of client technology investments, enabling them to benchmark against previous periods in the industry. The platform regularly ingests 6.5 trillion cloud billing records a month and manages $650 billion in technology spending. It handles millions of calculations for the world's largest Fortune 100 companies. As you're well aware, hybrid IT environments are becoming more and more complex with software, hardware, and cloud solutions from many vendors, and it becomes more and more challenging to manage. Flexera One is a comprehensive IT asset management solution that helps clients maximize their IT investments and mitigate risks. Flexera One can help clients understand their software licensing to improve their position when negotiating agreements and renewals with their vendors. It helps them to eliminate wasteful IT spending due to underuse and lack of visibility in governance. And it also helps them stay in compliance by minimizing the risk of being out of compliance with vendor and regulatory audits by proactively identifying areas of risk. When talking with clients about intelligent IT automation, you can reference the following 6 use cases. The first is performance-aware IT resource optimization. IBM is the only company that can deliver performance-aware optimization. The primary job of IT is not to save cost. The primary job of IT is to deliver applications to the business, protect those applications, help ensure their ongoing uptime and resilience, and adhere to key performance indicators. That's why over-provisioning and waste in time spending exist. IBM wants to empower clients with the ability to be performance aware so they can continue to protect and deliver to the business what they need. IBM helps clients confidently deliver performance in a financially responsible manner. Their systems stay up during open enrollment periods, busy retail shopping days like the US Black Friday, or any peak demand period for any industry. Turbonomic helps clients assure cost-effective application performance and proactively deliver the most efficient compute, storage, and network resources across the application stack. The next use case is around managing public cloud costs, which speaks directly to FinOps. In 2024, the IT industry is predicted to reach $6 billion in hyperscalers cloud spend. An estimated 36% of that amount might be wasted. Cloudability organizes billing and usage data across major cloud providers to bring visibility and financial accountability to the variable consumption-based spend model of the public cloud. Turbonomic helps organizations manage and continuously optimize their hybrid environment with intelligent automation. Cloudability and Turbonomic help clients to support teams as they establish and mature their FinOps practices. The third use case is gaining application insights and proactively resolving issues. IBM helps simplify and optimize app management and technology operations with generative AI-driven insights. Concert, Instana, SEV1, and Cloud Pak for AIOps are IBM products that empower clients with proactive risk and performance management. These products provide application and network-centric insights that can detect and mitigate issues with an understanding of contributing factors before they impact the business. Instana and SEV1 cover the enterprise observability space. These solutions enhance full-stack visibility of the global environment and network health. The fourth use case is streamlining IT planning, budgeting, and forecasting. This use case speaks to portfolio management, labor, financial management, and IT asset management. IBM is bringing together Target Process, Flexera, and Apptio to create and deliver holistic views of technology spending. These solutions include people and IT assets, such as depreciation schedules on servers and other indirect costs like a license risk from going out of support or obsolescence. All these factors feed into this use case. IBM Apptio unifies financial and operational data into an industry-standard taxonomy of cost categories and hierarchies. Target Process is an enterprise agile planning tool for data-driven investment prioritization. It helps to dynamically manage work, resources, and portfolios and keep them continuously aligned to strategy. The fifth use case, reducing IT's carbon footprint, is a great side benefit of spending less on IT. The consumption of fewer resources such as storage, compute, and electricity puts less pressure on the power grid. IBM Cloudability helps track sustainability data down to the team, application, and resource level. Through curated sustainability dashboards, the rich analytics of the IBM Cloudability platform helps identify the direct responsibility for carbon emissions and power consumption. Through intelligent automation, IBM Turbonomic can measure energy use and carbon footprint levels of data center loads. Turbonomic can configure resources automatically without impacting performance to reduce energy waste and carbon emissions, all while reporting energy and carbon footprint usage from actions taken to reduce impact. And the final use case is simplifying and optimizing technology operations. This particular use case speaks directly to the ability of IBM Concert to provide Gen AI insights to simplify and optimize operations across environments, removing data silos. Concert uses generative AI to cut through the complexity of application management, enabling app owners and SREs to perform real-time data and dependency mapping to see operational challenges. Drawing data from various environments and tool sets, Concert generates business outcome-driven insights around risk, compliance, cost, and more. IBM Concert works with Instana to streamline application performance management so you can quickly understand root causes, anticipate issues before they happen, and proactively address them with recommended actions and automations. In this use case, the goal is to ensure that applications get the resources that they need to meet service level objectives. The goal of this use case is to ensure that applications get the resources that they need to meet service level objectives. Client application infrastructure teams routinely receive complaints from users that their existing tools are not able to adequately identify the root cause. Support teams are often stuck in a cycle of constantly fighting fires. They can't proactively prevent performance issues in their on-premises environment of hundreds or even thousands of virtual machines. There's very limited time to focus on strategic initiatives. And here's where clients can turn to IBM Turbonomic. Turbonomic can help them to quickly identify and rectify the roots of prevailing performance issues. When teams apply the Turbonomic automation solution, they can enable VMs to migrate freely to the resources that best meet their performance requirements. On the network side, the ability to deliver unified and real-time reporting of network performance through a decentralized architecture that enables speed at scale is a core value of SEV1 NPM. As the solution monitors more devices and data center, speed remains high. Speed at scale means fewer bottlenecks within the monitoring solution, no matter how wide the deployment scales. As markets have naturally matured, clients have moved to new enterprise strategies to meet their customer expectations. To deliver on these new enterprise strategies, clients need to modernize and simplify their technology portfolio and look to the cloud to provide new capabilities for their business. As part of ensuring that this transformation is successful, client leadership is faced with a new model for managing cloud costs. Some of the key cost objectives include, number one, providing more cost transparency to application and business owners. Number two, optimizing infrastructure operating costs. 3, building the team to manage and monitor cost. And finally, creating optionality and scalability for compute resources. Moving to the cloud presents some new challenges for managing these costs. Cloudability can be a logical choice because of its multi-cloud capability and support for containerized workloads and direct integration with other Apptio products. The goal of any client is to ensure that they provide a great experience for their customers. If a customer has to wait for a response, then they might leave. A delayed response can lead to lost revenue. To help clients provide their customers with a great experience, Instana can monitor API performance, error tracking, debugging, and alerting. Clients can either use Instana's intuitive dashboard to review issues or have notifications that are sent through Slack. By using AI to automate the end-to-end incident resolution process, IBM minimizes manual intervention and avoids downtime. Two primary challenges exist for client teams to ensure operational efficiency across a regional or global infrastructure. The first is integrating with platforms and environments to create a unified overview. If a client doesn't have a standard tool and just has to do it on their own, then the job is very difficult. The second challenge is to efficiently cut through the noise and identify the specific tasks that maintain operations. Consider this example. A network router is accidentally disconnected from 10 computers. That disconnection creates 15 different events, but the actual problem is the router needs to be reconnected. Those 15 events are just a single instance. IT teams see thousands of events per day. If IT ops managers can view instances instead of events, the faster they can pinpoint actual problems and then address them. Traditionally, event correlation is done by a team of people manually analyzing event alarms and finding correlations. Clients often fix the same type of issue hundreds of times in a year with hours spent managing these activities manually. By implementing Cloud Pak for AIOps, expert-based rules, clients can automate and greatly accelerate that work. Sizing the difference among events and incidents is the first step to a complete AI management of operations and brings the fastest return on investment in self-learning technologies. Additionally, it is extremely challenging for clients to make informed decisions based on huge amounts of siloed data with fragmented visibility across applications and systems. IBM Concert provides application owners, developers, and SREs with the most efficient way forward by seamlessly connecting with their existing environments and tool sets, enabling real-time data and dependency mapping. This enables clients to see operational challenges, understand root causes, and proactively resolve issues with prioritized actions and automation. In today's competitive business environment, having a solid financial foundation is more important than ever. Margins can be razor thin, and with many options for customers to choose from, businesses must be best in class just to stay in the game. That means they need to run lean and channel their savings into growth and innovation. Organizations must thrive to be managed prudently and prioritize concrete ROI on new initiatives. In the spirit of that statement, AppDeal planning and costing and target process solutions can help businesses optimize their spending and increase business agility. With purpose-built solutions to manage IT finances, businesses can move from older tools such as spreadsheets. Businesses can spend less time managing data, more time analyzing data to provide useful information and actionable insights. This shift in productivity makes for a better informed business and facilitates data-driven decision-making. As you can imagine, reducing a client's carbon footprint is a great side benefit of spending less on IT. Fewer storage and compute resources result in less electricity usage, which puts less pressure on the power grid. Because Turbonomic helps teams identify opportunities to rebalance resources across one or more data centers, client teams are now better equipped to maximize their usage of their existing infrastructure without sacrificing performance. This ability to maximize usage has financial and environmental benefits as it helps teams reduce future capital expenditure demands. With the growing number of applications and tool sets across hybrid environments, clients get a vast amount of data from siloed tools all across the application lifecycle. These siloed tools make it almost impossible to get a strategic view of the health of applications and a clear picture of all application dependencies, especially when working in agile and distributed teams. Clients also face a huge challenge in prioritizing many CVEs. They must figure out which ones to remediate first. Also, the impact and scale of expired, outdated, and misconfigured certificates is massive and can lead to numerous outages and risks that result in discontinuity of the business. IBM Concert helps simplify and optimize application management and operations to focus on continuously delivering enhanced client experiences. IBM Concert integrates seamlessly with a client's existing tools and data from capture all the way through to automation. It uncovers hidden connections in previously siloed data to optimize an organization's application operations. Concert delivers prioritized recommendations, helping clients focus on what matters most and offering efficient remediation tips. These insights are enhanced with a Gen AI chatbot, in-depth analysis, or visual dependency maps. Clients can take swift action on Concert recommendations and automate those tasks through connected tools. They can use Gen AI to instantly take action, such as opening and pre-populating service tickets. Concert also provides application owners, developers, and SREs with the most efficient way forward, helping them anticipate issues before they happen so they can focus on work that drives business impact. Thank you for your time and attention as we went through this presentation. At this point, here are some suggestions for talking to your clients about getting started with IBM's automation solutions. You can schedule some time to talk with them a little bit more. There's also the option to share this presentation with other business leaders in the organization. And the link there goes directly to the IT automation homepage on IBM.com. So once again, thank you very much and happy selling.